Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. This is our video presentation for PHY210 case study. In this video, we will explain about pedestal fan. So before we start our video presentation, let's get to know our group members.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Rusli. My student ID 2022603764.
My name is ALIYA binti NAZRI. My student ID 2022699274.
My name is HAZIM bin PIKERI and my student number is 202289 1368.
Hi, my name is MOHAMAD bin AMIRUDIN. My ID number is 2022860852.
The item we choose for entrepreneurship mind is pedestal fan. Pedestal fan is a type of electric fan that has a long stand and a large blade that rotates to create a flow of air. Pedestal fan usually has a base, motor, backguard, and oscillating remote and remote control. Some pedestal fan also have features such as variable speed setting, timers, and smart home compatibility. Pedestal fan can be used for cooling, ventilation, drying, or creating draft. It can also help circulate the air in the room with an air conditioner or air heater. Pedestal fans are portable and can be positioned anywhere in the room. They are also cheaper to buy and run than air conditioners.
Now I will explain about what key need will you meet. So the first one, fan blades are made for metal. Among the advantage is blades for metal is incredible, durable, and will last for years. Furthermore, it is also easy to clean from dust, which is you can only use water to clean it. Blades for metal also have a strong airflow because it cuts through the air with every little resistance. Second one is universal fan blades, which is it is more efficient because it's a very important contribution to improve the overall efficiency of the engine. The movement of air is also in confined spaces and at extreme temperature environment, which is it can be used for both heating and cooling purpose. The next key is pedestal fan. It used between 20 and 17 watts and with an average of 20 watts. Motor that can deliver powerful performance even at low voltage than ceiling fan generally consume 50 to 100 watts and with an average of 75 watts. Moreover, it offers a top speed of 1400 RPM that will help you to quickly cool down. Pedestal fan also use an energy-saving fan to lower the electric bill.
Alright, let's talk about whose key needs specifically. So, in my opinion, pedestal fan are suitable for students those who need a personal fan that can be adjusted in heat, speed, and direction to suit their preference. Second, it's also suitable for workers, those who work in office or other indoor spaces that like adequate ventilation or air conditioning. Lastly, it's suitable for travelers who need a portable fan that is easy to carry everywhere.
So how often do people experience this problem, and when? We know that every people in this world we try to choose a good fan, especially during a summer. So they need to choose a fan that can absorb heat and release the cool air. So this some problem that we might have. For first is mostly the fan is difficult to open and reassemble for cleaning. Second is some fan generate a lot of noisy, which can bothersome, especially if used in quiet environment like bedroom or office. Next is not durable and easily damaged. It also cannot be used in long term. Lastly, using a fan also using a high voltage that can cause the electric bill too high.
Pedestal fans are popular for their portability, versatility, and affordability. However, they may also have some problems that can affect their performance and user satisfaction. Some of common problems that user or customer of pedestal fan may face are: first, power issue. Pedestal fan may stop working due to faulty power cord, outlet, fuse, or breaker. This can be frustrating and inconvenient for user, especially in hot weather. And second, vibration issues. Pedestal fans may vary excessively due to loosely screws, unbalanced blades, or worn-out bearings. This can cause noise, instability, and reduce airflow. And lastly, space issues. Pedestal fan may take up more space than other type of fans. These can be problems for users who have limited space or prefer a sleeker design.
So, what will happen if the need that required is not met? Firstly, the plastic plate of the fan will melt. The plastic plate will melt at high temperature because plastic is not really high. temperature resistant. Secondly, it can't be used in industrial activities since it was not very big to be used in industrial equipment, and the plastic is not very high temperature friendly because it will melt in the industrial environment. Secondly, it will make our electricity high in consumption because, as we all know, in Malaysia, the weather is kind of hot sometimes, so we will need to use the fan on daily basis, so the electricity bill will be increased. And it can also be used when there is power outage since fan need an electricity to be used. And lastly, higher cost of production for the premium fan blade. This premium fan blade will be sold at higher price, so the seller need to sell it at higher price, so the buyer will be less likely to buy it, so it will impact in sale. And lastly, when there is no people to buy the premium fan blade, so the manufacturer will lose.
Next, I will continue to explain about what is unique approach to meeting this aim. So, the unique approach is rotation motion. The design of the fan blade is an aerodynamic design, which is a fan that consists of several streamlined blades mounted in a revolving casing. The cross-section and spacing of the blades are designed aerodynamically. Besides that, airflow generated by the rotation of blades, can create a low pressure area below them and drawing air up from the room. Next, thermodynamics, which is mechanism of heat transfer enclosure. Cooling involves a combination of heat transfer mechanism and the primary mechanism used for cooling electrical enclosure are as a conduction, and radiation heats. Furthermore, thermal management also involves, which is it used for controlling temperature through technology. This technology is based on the thermodynamic and heat transfer.
So we know that in this slide we can tell about, do you have any technical issue to solve. So the first one is the blade cooler. We know the blade cooler is effective for heat dissipation. It also can transfer the heat and cooling the blades. For example, like to prevent blade melting at a higher temperature. Second is a readily available blade material. It also when a durable blade material that is easy to find, so we can get a cheaper price. So when we get a cheaper price, the sale of the product will increase and make the income for the product also can increase. The thirdly is we can choose a efficiency motor, like select a motor that have a high energy power supply and have a high torque, so can produce a high power but use a minimal energy loss. Lastly, we can adjustable speed control. We know that some fans only offer a few speed options, which may not be sufficient to meet different demand or taste. It's also when it have a more speed option enabled to tailor the airflow to the comfort level. It also can making the product more adaptable and user friendly.
These are references that we are referring to make this video presentation. That's all for us. Thank you for watching. Bye.